So even that, Guru tells you to do some, and gives you the solution or the instruction, and you do it, and it may fail. Why? Is the Guru's fault? No. He gave proper instruction, he gave the right instruction, because Krishna wants it to fail, to teach you some other thing, about more deeper surrender, or some, don't be attached to result, or you did it, and I know, and Krishna knows that if I give him success, he'll fail. I mean, he'll lose his bhakti or become proud and then become offensive, and then have to suffer for that. So to protect him, I'll give him failure now to protect his longer, steady practice of bhakti. Just like there's verses, I think in 11th canto, it says that Krishna fulfills the desires, 5th canto or 11th canto, Krishna fulfills the desires of everyone that approaches him. It says that in the 2nd canto. Akama sarva kama va moksha kama udaridi tirena bhakti yogena sayete purusham param. So whether you have no desires, or whether you want cities and all kinds of powers, or whether it says akama, sakama, or sarva kama, you're free from desire, or you want cities, or you want so many things, I fulfill them. But Krishna says, I fulfill the desires of everyone, but I fulfill them in such a way, I will fulfill the desires. Anyone who worships me, they must get result. I'm God. Krishna is God. So if someone worships me and prays, if it's their destiny and if I want to give it to them, there's so many factors involved, I will give them success. I will fulfill their desires. But, Krishna says, I will do it in such a way, because if I just fulfill his desires and he gets what he wants, okay, he gets it, then he'll ask again and again, and that way stay in a samsara and never get liberated.